Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lucid Dreams on piano at a challenging level. This piece requires careful attention to both hands. We will break down the intricate left-hand arpeggios and the expressive right-hand melody. By focusing on specific techniques and consistent practice, you can master this popular song. Get ready to enhance your piano skills and enjoy playing this fantastic tune. The left hand in Lucid Dreams features a continuous arpeggio pattern that can be quite demanding. To achieve a smooth sound, ensure your wrist remains relaxed and flexible. Practice each arpeggio shape slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, focusing on an even tone for every note. Consistent fingering, such as 1-5-3-1 for a C major arpeggio, will build muscle memory. This foundation is crucial for speed and accuracy. Now, let's focus on the right-hand melody, which carries the emotional core of Lucid Dreams. The syncopated rhythms are key, so practice them with a metronome set to around 70 beats per minute to ensure precision. Articulate each note clearly, aiming for a consistent dynamic level throughout the melodic phrases. Before attempting to combine hands, ensure your right hand can play its part confidently and expressively. This separate practice builds solid independence. Combining both hands for Lucid Dreams requires patience and a methodical approach. Begin by playing hands together at a very slow tempo, perhaps 40 beats per minute, focusing on coordination rather than speed. Break the piece into small, two-measure sections, mastering each before moving on. Gradually increase the tempo by 5 beats per minute once each section feels comfortable. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to practice daily for optimal progress and mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.